today's video, I'm gonna try and make $835 a day with this video that I just watched. Now this is a new series I'm gonna be trying out, which is me just trying out side hustles I find on YouTube. And today's side hustle is coming from Mr. Riez. Now he also does claim that you can make
$30 every 10 minutes.
So that's much more than $835 a day. But let's just try out his side hustle and let's see how much money we can make.
Is you go into Google and you type translate. And then when you do that, it's going to pop up this window here. Now we're going to head off to CPA Grip, which is a website that I love.
So first thing he says to do is open up Google Translate and then open up this website that's called cpagrip.com. So I'm gonna go sign up for cpagrip.com and also open up Google real quick. cpagrip.com. Alright guys, so I have it open now and I also have Google Translate right here. Now let's see what he says to do next.
Paid $30,000, $727 with 15,000 leads.
So guys, I don't know if he's sponsored by this website because he is really hyping it up, as you guys can hear. And he's even saying this dude has made 30K with 1 day of affiliate times. I mean, a lot of sketchy websites that scam a lot also do this and show people quote unquote making money. But you know, maybe he's being honest. So let's just sign up. And then it does make me put in my phone number. So I'm not going to show that obviously, but alright guys, so it finally got me into the website, and as he was showing right here, so this dude made $5 yesterday.
But what the hell?
This dude made $50 yesterday. Now remember, this guy is claiming that you can make almost $900 a day with this strategy. And I only see people making, you know, $50 yesterday, which is much less than just a minimum wage job. So let's see the next step.
So one thing that I know not many people know about is you need to use top paying countries that have high value offers.
So guys, I just opened up the offers thing and it looks like we can make around 50 cents per click. So basically he's saying that in other countries they pay much more instead of the US because it is more saturated in the US, and also the US speaks English. Almost everyone knows English. But let's say we go somewhere like France, their payouts are supposedly much more because not a lot of people know French. Now I just did this what he said to do, and it looks like the payouts are literally still very low except for this one that's $7, $10 all the way down here. But in his video he actually shows payouts up to $23, and they are paying around $1, $8, $1, $8, $12, 8 cents. Alright guys, so basically he says search through these offers in different countries until you find a pretty good one, so even Fiji and just kind of countries that don't have a lot of people so that the payout is more.
In France, they have this payout which is $23. And the reason they have this is because not many people are using these countries to make money.
As you can see, Fiji literally 40 cents, there's nothing there. Now he also does use France in his video, and let's just follow his tutorial to make money. Now let me add guys, he does not show him actually making any money, so maybe I should have looked at that first. But now what he says to do is find the most best paying ad. So right down here is $10.
Can you to enter your phone number for a chance to win their offer here.
So basically what he's saying is to copy and paste this so that we actually know what they're saying. So detect language, check with your PayPal. So it's saying to enter your PayPal or kind of enter your PayPal to get the payout. So I guess we'll just be trying that out and let's see if I get hacked or not. Alright guys, so after this he says to copy the link. And now I'm gonna actually be doing this boxer ones right here because I feel like it's easier to advertise. And now what he's saying is that every time someone uses the link and then enters their phone number into this ad, so basically I translated it, then I'll be getting paid around $6.42 exactly.
Phone number for a chance to win. So and for every person that does this, you're going to be earning $28.76.
Now what he is claiming, as you guys saw in that last clip, is that this ad right here, traffic ad bar, will actually advertise my link to 1,000 people for sure. And I get 5 free links I can actually put into this. And he's saying that the conversion rate that he has seen before is around 10%.
In this website that I'm going to show you right now, it's going to be guaranteed that you're going to be getting at least 1,000 visitors to your offer. So let's say 10% of those people complete your offer. 28, that's $2,800. So you're going to be making over $2,800.
Claiming that I will make around $700 just from this one link. So his claim is insane. He's saying $800 a day just from this one link. I'll make literally $700 today. So I guess we'll just see it. I'm gonna let it sit, but let's just do all the stuff he said. So first he said copy the link. Second, he said to come over and URL shortener. Make the URL shorter than it actually is. Maybe I'll try tiny URL. Let's see it. And it made the link shorter right here. So, and now I'm finally able to advertise my ad. So type username. Geez, this thing is making me doing a lot. Create account. All right. Finally created an account for a traffic ad. All right, now we're just gonna do what he said in the video. So let's just watch real quick.
So what people are going to be doing is they're going to be clicking your link to win a free generator.
So basically what he is saying is that we have to give an offer when we're doing this. So now that I'm on the website, I'm gonna enter this URL. So basically what he's telling me is to use Google Translate now and actually make this title more appealing. So access a boxer short trial. The people that sign up for this will be getting free boxers. Now we can just easily enter that right here, and we want it to be in French because only people that know French will be seeing this ad, since that's one of the requirements. So I'm just gonna put that into the ad like he just said to do. So access a short boxer short. What do people call boxers? Access a underwear trial. And now we have the words, so we're gonna put it right here. Make sure it didn't actually copy and paste the whole thing. So get free underwear. Now that doesn't really sound that good, but gotta do what we gotta do. So second ad line, let's see what he says to do.
What it's going to be looking like.
He's saying to enter the rest of the words. So free underwear trial. So we'll just enter that right below. It's basically the same thing. So next question is, what language is your ad / web page? We'll be doing French.
And because we're doing our ad in Spanish, so when you want to input Spanish here.
So basically from here, he's saying to just save this and it'll post your ad into the network. It's saying I got a view on my page already, which is pretty cool. And I just want to see if this works. So I'm going to let it sit for a bit, and we'll also see right here if I do get any clicks. Now, obviously I want to save this, which I don't really see a way to save it. Maybe if I come out here. Yeah, there isn't really a way to save it. So basically we'll have to see if this does anything. And I end up making $800 a day. I'll see you guys in a few hours. I'm gonna go for a walk. Alright guys, so it's been around like 4 or 5 hours. So basically the whole day. And let's see if we got around 10% like the guy said we would. Alright guys, so I'm on traffic ad bar or whatever it's called. Gonna refresh it, see if there's anything new, and then the results will happen right here. So let's just log into CPA grip and let's see if we got any people using our link and made any money. So I think it would be in dashboard, loading. We didn't get any views or clicks or leads, because apparently we should have made around $600 today alone. It says that we got 0 hits on our website as well. Oh no, it says 2 views right here. So 2 people pressed on this ad, but they didn't do anything, which therefore means we made no money. So basically this side hustle that this guy is showing is busted. We have made $0. We spent around an hour setting this up. So now you guys don't have to waste your time with it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, well, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next video where I try out side hustles again.